see the this is the structure of actually monomer from which we can synthesize the polymethyl methacrylate. Okay, so this structure is methyl methacrylate. Okay, now we will see how to synthesize this methyl methacrylate. We can start right from acetone. Okay, this is the structure of acetone, and we can get cyanohydrin of acetone by treating it with hydrogen cyanide and KCN. Here OH and here CN. Okay, this is the cyanohydrin of acetone. Now you can see here cyanide group. Okay, and we can easily hydrolyze this cyanide group into amide. Okay, partly hydrolysis of cyanide group gives you amide. So just write here hydrolysis. Okay, and the condition is H2SO4 in acidic medium and maintaining 120 degrees Celsius temperature. We get here double bond is here, dehydration also occurs here. Okay, C double bond O NH2 and put double bond here. So you can write this structure like this: C double bond O NH2. Okay, now what is the name of this structure? It is methyl acrylamide. 2-methyl acrylamide. Okay, why acrylamide? Because amide functional group is present here. Now you can again hydrolyze and simultaneously not hydrolyze but alcoholysis of this amide group gives you methyl methacrylate. Okay, so put here MEOH. MEOH means methanol, CH3OH in presence of H2SO4 or simply H plus gives you C double bond O O Me. Me means CH3. Me means methyl group. Okay, so you will get here methyl methacrylate. Methyl methacrylate. So the synthesis strategy is simple on paper theoretically. Acetone, we get cyanohydrin of acetone. Okay, which on heating in presence of sulfuric acid gives you amide, which further on alcoholysis gives you, or you can say there is replacement of NH2 group by OMe group. Finally we get the methyl methacrylate, and this methyl methacrylate is monomer from which we can synthesize the polymer polymethyl methacrylate. Okay, now polymethyl methacrylate can be prepared from this methyl methacrylate. So we can start here CO OCH3 n times polymerization. It gives you CH2, here C CH3 CO OCH3 as it is, and the repeating unit continues n times. This is polymethyl methacrylate. Okay, so thousands of molecules join together to form a giant molecule called polymethyl methacrylate, and this molecule is linear molecule. Okay, polymethyl methacrylate can be prepared through free radical mechanism.